Hello everyone, good morning. How are you? Myself Manish Friends. Today I am going to tell you a small story. Its name Follow Your Voice, Ever Was a Voice. Friends, the vegetable vendor used a whiteboard with the words fresh vegetables sold here to attract people to buy his vegetable. Friends, a man came up to him and said, simply by seeing we can tell that your vegetables are so fresh. Why do you need to advertise them fresh? Rough up the word fresh. The vegetable vendor did so, leaving behind the word vegetables sold here. Friends, another man came up and said, we know you are selling vegetable, not food. Why don't you wipe off the word vegetable? The vegetable vendor replied, leaving behind the word. And friends, the vegetable vendor complied, left on the board. Now word, two words, sold here. Friends, after a while an elderly lady approached to him said, if you are sitting in the market, you aren't giving your veggie for free. Friends, veggie free, take off the word sold. Friends, the vegetable vendor removed the word sold. Friends, on the board only one word left here. A schoolboy passing by kissed the vegetable vendor saying, everyone in the world knows you are sitting here, not there. Why here? The vegetable vendor, friends, the vegetable vendor laid the last word, making on the board an empty. Friends with ink. Another person came and said, only a stupid person would keep such a nice wild board empty. Why don't you write something on it to advertise your vegetables? Friends, everybody around us has an opinion to make. Everybody around us has a suggestion to offer. Friends, and most often with the best intention. But if you end up listening to what everybody else has to say, we may forget to do. Friends, what word inspired to do? What word mind to do? Friends, only you follow your life, not to others. You heard many people, you listen to many people, but you have to only you say to heart. Then, in the noise of orders, suggestions and opinions, you don't keep it your suggestions. Friends, take good advice, but also learn the art of navigating through that advice to follow your own journey. Thanks to all my friends. Bye bye.